Hi, I'm Natalia Del Pino. Today I'm going to be making Marranitos, and these are Mexican gingerbread cookies. They're shaped like pigs. You can find them in almost any Mexican bakery. They're super delicious and they almost melt in your mouth. Two teaspoons vanilla. Oh, it smells so good. So I'm gonna take it out. And I don't usually flour my surface since this is definitely not super sticky. So now I'm gonna roll them out. This is my dad's mom's rolling pin. These cookies are always in some sort of pig shape. They can vary, but this is the size that I chose to use today. They can either be really big or this big. So yeah, pigs. That's why they're called Marranitos. And here are our Marranitos.